Hey there everyone, how you doing? Welcome to this invite for Scooply together with my partner Yves Cuyo. Now what Scooply does is it finds breaking news stories and it creates entire blogs around them. And inside these blogs, what the software does is it inserts affiliate links into these blog posts, and you can have different marketplaces within these affiliate links like Amazon, AdSense, banners, all sorts of weird and wonderful things that are going to be making lots of money to your subscribers. Now, in terms of Scooply, we've got a big prize money pot. We're going to be doing retargeting with Rashfin, so you know you're going to be getting the best of both Facebook and Google Ads retargeting. And of course, you're going to be getting guaranteed reciprocation from the both of us. We've got a long, deep, and congruent funnel for you. It's guaranteed to make you money. We've had some really good conversions and EPCs in our last couple of launches. So with that said, any questions, hit either myself or Yves up, and we'd be delighted to hear from you. Let's make some money, guys. Looking forward to seeing you on the leaderboard. Take care. All the best.